Right, to set the time and dates on the video side of the watch, so not the actual analog face, but the camera itself. If you first plug it into a Windows PC, then depending on how your PC is set, you might get the folder icon pop up here, like ours will in a second. If yours isn't set for that, then what you'll need to do is click on this icon down here. Click on the one that says this PC. It might be in this list somewhere, and then mine says USB drive D. Yours might have a slightly different letter, but it will look like this. Double click, and you should see these folders inside. So to set the time, what you need to do is double click on this here. This opens up. Now we do have an auto time here that takes the time and date off your PC, but it won't work in the UK because we use a different format to the USA. So we have to manually fill it out. So it goes year, month, day, so backwards to what we do, and then it's just the time, so hours, minutes, seconds. These last three here relate to this down here, so you can put Y or N. Yes means you want the time and date displayed. N means that you don't, you want it hidden. So if you're going to hide it, you don't need to set the time and date correctly, just put the N in there. This is the resolution. Obviously, number one is the highest, which I suggest you use. The only reason for using lower is, well, if you haven't got a PC that supports higher, or just to save room on the memory. And the TNF, that's when the memory card's full. So if it's full, you got it on T, it will start recording over the oldest footage first, and F will just mean it will stop recording. So once the memory card's full, it will stop. So to set the correct time and dates, today's date is 2026. It's January, and it is the 21st, and the time is just 17:53. Now it's normally advisable to add an extra minute on, because by the time you've saved it, unplug the watch and done a recording, you probably lost that minute. You might not have done. Let's go File, Save, close that down, and then you can just disconnect the watch. You can wait for the exact time before you do this, but I'm going to turn mine on now. So mine's not quite 17:54 yet, but for the purpose of the video, right, I'm going to put it onto picture mode, because it's obviously faster to take a picture than do video. I'm just going to take a couple of photos just of the floor, and then just plug it back in again. And once it pops up, go to photos. See in the bottom corner here, you've got the correct time and date. That will now show on your pictures and your video. So the only reason you need to go and change the time and date again is in daylight saving times, or if you left the battery to go flat for long periods of time, then you might need resetting again. The file will only save the time and date you inputted, not the current time and date. But if you need to change it again, you just input the current time and date, save, and then just do recording. We'll take a picture straight away as that gets the camera onto the right time. Okay, thanks for watching.